Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a pair of professional hearing aids for severe hearing loss. They have a 40 decibel gain, 16 channel precision, anti-whistling technology, a 50 hertz battery with a charging case, and they are self-fitting. So I always encourage people, go and get your hearing tested by a professional. But if you do need something for travel, or if you've lost your hearing aids, or if you just can't afford something more expensive, these are really, really nice. So you get a charging cord, you got this really nice case, and in here is where we are going to store the hearing aids. So this is how the hearing aid will fit, and then the other one fits on the other side. And then you have a nice little pocket up here that you can keep all of your things in. So you get a cleaning brush, and then you get extra tips. And that is so that you can find the correct fit for your ear. What I love about these is that these come, and I have this plugged in, so bear with me, with a charging base, okay? So what's nice is that you do not need to get batteries for these, you just charge them up. So you can see on here how much charge you have on the right and the left. How do you remember which is which? The right ear, the letter R, right, is the red. And so you can see here, this is red, okay? And then the opposite hearing aid is the blue, or the black. I think that is blue. And that is for your left ear. These are so tiny, so lightweight. I actually love a hearing aid that goes behind the ear. I know a lot of people are self-conscious about it. However, once I get these in, you'll see you can't really see them that much. The reason I like these is they're easier to put in than the in-the-ear version, and the controls on these are easy. So this has this really great anti-whistle technology. So what that is that when they're in the case and they're charging, when you take it out, it will remain off for about 10 seconds, enough time to put it in your ear so that you don't get the whistle. And then they turn off when you put them back in the charging case. You can also use the little mode button here to turn it on and off. You just have to long press it and then it turns on. Your volume is really easy to use, up and down right there, so easy. And then the mode button, it switches between modes, and I'm gonna read to you what they are for. There's an indoor mode, outdoor mode, movie watching mode, and a general mode. And then the hearing aid will remember which mode you were using when you took them out, and then it will come back on that same mode the next day. So you don't have to like reprogram that every single time. All right, so these are so easy to put in. I'm going to take one out. This is my red. I'm going to put this part in my ear, get it in there, and then wrap this part around my ear. I have my glasses on. It does not interfere at all. And then I can just reach behind and turn it down. As I turn it down and it gets softer, it beeps so that I know it is actually turning down. Now let's go ahead and put the other one in. And it just turned on. It gave me 2 beeps saying that it is on. Now, something to keep in mind, this takes some time to get used to. So while I am showing you that you really can't see these, I do just want to comment that this little booklet will give you suggestions on how to wear these every week so that you can get more used to wearing them. And the reason is that this amplifies everything. It's not just amplifying my talking. Now, yes, there are the different modes for that, but you will need to kind of adjust and get used to these. These are so lightweight, so easy to use. I am in love with these. And then when you take them out, go ahead, put it back on the charger, and you are set. Look at that. Amazing. This is such a great set. Absolutely loving these. Definitely check these out. This is one of my favorite pair that I have ever tried. Links are below.